The Siege of Chernihiv in 2022 marked a pivotal moment during the escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine. Chernihiv, with its rich history dating back to the medieval era, faced an unprecedented military confrontation that tested the resilience of its inhabitants and highlighted the struggles and sacrifices of those involved. In early March 2022, as the city became encircled by Russian forces, it turned into a critical strategic point in the conflict. The initial days of the siege were marked by complex military maneuvers as the invading forces sought to cut off the city and suppress its defenses. Real-time animations illustrate how the troops advanced, as analysts dissect the tactical approaches used by the attackers. As Chernihiv stood besieged, the everyday lives of its residents were drastically altered. With basic supplies like food and water running low, the people faced a grim struggle for survival. Personal stories from the city's inhabitants reveal how they navigated the dire circumstances, adapting to constant threats and shortages. Through visuals, we see how the community organized itself to cope with the challenges, showcasing unity in adversity. Amidst the siege, tales of extraordinary courage emerged. Local groups took charge, forming resistance efforts that kept hope alive within the city. Animated sequences reveal the defiance and strength of citizens as they countered the aggression, maintaining their spirit amidst the crisis. However, the conclusion of the siege after weeks of relentless fighting left Chernihiv profoundly changed. The city's physical and psychological scars bore testament to the siege's impact, yet its residents embarked on a path to recovery and rebuilding. An analysis of the post-siege social dynamics provides insight into the resilience of communities facing existential threats and illuminates the broader implications for similar conflicts worldwide. Reflecting on the lessons from Chernihiv, we gain a deeper understanding of the virtues of solidarity and courage. These principles not only define the city's resistance, but serve as inspiration for global communities confronting their own battles. As history continues to unfold, the story of Chernihiv remains a poignant reminder of human fortitude and the enduring spirit of those who stand against overwhelming odds.